Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy USDT on Binance with PayPal. So of course, head over and open your Binance app, and from here, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, from your homepage, head over and click on P2P. Then from here, make sure that you chose USDT as coin. Then, of course, add in the amount that you would like to buy, and in the payment options, click on the payment drop-down menu, and here you can see the available options that you can choose from to buy your USDT. And apparently, if you scroll down, you can see the PayPal option here. That's because Binance is currently not supporting PayPal at the moment. But don't worry because you can still buy your USDT using other payment channels and other banks. Just choose your alternative bank or payment option from the list that is available, and you can also choose bank transfer. Simply click on it and press confirm, and here you can see ads available that you can choose from to buy your USDT. Just click on a specific ad, and from here add in the USDT amount that you would like to buy, and of course add in details about the bank that you're planning to use to pay for your USDT. Then once everything is done, head over and click on place order. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!